Incredible Pizza Tulsa has a lot of attractions, plus a good collection of video games and that pizza buffet. But which attractions were my favorite at this incredible place? Find out in this countdown. Springtown was closed on my visit, so I cannot rank that. Lost in Space also has a 165 pound or 75 kilogram weight limit, which I'm just over, so I was unable to experience that as well. Riding a similar attraction at San Antonio's Incredible Pizza, it is likely one of the better attractions as a truly solid spinning ride. Number 7. Mini Bowling. As this isn't a full game of bowling, only 5 frames, it just feels a bit short, but it is enjoyable for what it is. Number 6. Laser Tag. This is a flat and rather basic layout for laser tag. It still is fun to try and see who you can shoot and just running around, but it's just not anything special as a laser tag arena. Number 5. Mini Golf. Normally, these mini golf courses are well themed, but this was a bit underwhelming and the path to get to that first hole is pretty confusing as well. Other than that, mini golf is enjoyable, though some of these holes, looking at you dinosaur, were hard for me to putt on, so getting a high score made me kinda sad. Number 4. Spinning Coaster. Normally, these spinning coasters are not my favorite, but with the other attractions not shining as much, I really enjoyed being able to settle into this coaster. It offered a bit more spin than I'm used to on these types of rides, and was just a really nice compliment to the overall atmosphere of Incredible Pizza. Number 3. Scrambler. This is a little bit forceful for a Scrambler, but mainly you get a sense of speed which is a bit weird for a Scrambler. This isn't too strong in the laterals department, nor did it make me crazy dizzy. So fun with a sense of speed. Number 2. Bumper cars. This is a great style of bumper cars as they have a solid sense of power. Even riding all by myself, it is really fun to bump into them walls, even though there are signs that say not to do that. It's also pretty dizzying when they spin around. Number 1. Go-karts. This is a basic go-kart track, but that does help with the actual racing aspect, and there wasn't really a turbo, at least as far as I could tell, so it was still difficult to pass, but it is nice for what it is. What rides and attractions are your favorite at Tulsa's Incredible Pizza? What is your favorite food here as well? Let me know, and as always, Kapkun Krap.